Welcome back to the new case study in Alteryx. In this case study, we will see how to split the combined data into multiple PNG documents, multiple PNG files or PPT files as well, which is a PowerPoint presentation. So what we can do is we can use the same case study which you have done in the previous video. So I'll copy this particular container and I'll just paste it over here. Now this container, if you remember, we convert it into multiple PDF documents. So let me expand this container. I'll enable this container over here. Now we'll take a smaller example. From this place, we have already converted into different data types like double and integer. In the summarize, we have used some other options. So this time what we can do is we can remove some options from here. Let me remove the customer name and I can also remove the state option from here. So I have subcategory, sales and profit. So grouping by subcategory, sum of sales and sum of profit. So in the summarize tool, I can also pick up one more field, let's say as region. Selected region and I can just click on group by option and I can properly align those options. Later on, when I created a basic table, so on this place, I'll pick up here, let's say as grouping by subcategory. So when I select this summarize tool, let me show you option here. The grouping is done based on subcategory. So when I go to this table format option, I will just select this subcategory option. Now the grouping would be done on subcategory and multiple images would be created based on region. So the table, if you see, it has many fields. I just want to show you some few elements, not all of them. So I'll select only 3 fields, that region, sum of sales and sum of profit. So in the output PNG file, only these 3 columns would be displayed. Now later on in the render tool, I can pick up from this grouping option as subcategory. And now here in this save option, it's already a PDF document. I can just click on this option over here and I've already created a PNG output files. Just the save as type should be as PNG files and let me give as PNG1. Any name you can give it and click on save button. So right now what will happen is, right now this folder is completely empty. When I go to Alteryx and if I click on this run button, so you can see within few seconds it will create multiple PNG files. 17 PNG files which is given here, 17 records, and if I go back to the folder, you can see 17 PNG files are created. Now this PNGs are a simple table. If I double click and open any one PNG, you can see this is for the art. Okay, you see the file name which is art.png and it is giving me the distribution for all the regions in this art document here. I can close it and if I open this tables, in this tables, if you see, it is for all the regions which have been sold for tables. So the sales and the profit done for tables in different regions. So now coming back to this Alteryx part, this was a PNG file which is very simple. If I want to convert into PPT file, I can click on this save as button. I can select the option as PPT, which is PowerPoint presentation. And here I can give some name, let's say as 1, 2, 3, any name you can give it, click on save. When I click on run button, and you can see it will again create multiple PPT files in the same folder. You see all the 17 PowerPoint presentations are created here, right? I'll just change the name of this particular container. I'll select the container and I can just rename this one as PNG/PPT. Okay. And I can just minimize this particular container and I can disable this option. Okay. It's a very simple case study. So I hope you have understood how to split the combined data into multiple PNG and PPT files using Alteryx. That's all for this video.